Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the project automatic segmentation of kidney volume using multi-module hybrid based U-shaped in polycystic kidney disease. The medical images, the region of interest is the challenging since the textures and then the noises present in the images. The most common technique is the ultrasound scans to check the abnormality in the kidney region, in particular the presence of the stones. Hence, in this process allows to detect the stone areas in the medical images and then evaluated by the suggested stone presence systems. In this process, the feature extraction is used to extract the areas might contain the stones as well as the non-stones. Different characteristics such as the contrast, then the second the angular momentum, entropy correlations are employed based on the algorithm. In this process, the use of automatic image processing technique resulting from the machine learning representation, detection and classification of kidney stone in the medical images as well as the performance of the process is evaluated by means of the accuracy. The major part of this project is to detect the kidney stones in the earlier stage as well as in case of non-kidney stones as well as will be classified. In case of the accuracy is improved, in the sense the classification rate is improved by means of improving the accuracy. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram of the process. This is the overall working flow of this project. This project consists the steps like input image, pre-processing, feature extraction, classification, then finally performance estimation. These are the modules consist in this project. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset consists of the lot of kidney images which is having the stones as well as the normal images. After taking any one image from the dataset, the pre-processing will be carried out. In this pre-processing, we have considered the two stages. One is the grayscale conversion, then the second one is the noise removal. So in this grayscale conversion, in case I am giving one image which is having the RGB band in the sense which will be converted into one grayscale band. In case of the image consists of any noisy pixels is there, it should be removed during the filtering technique. Apart from that, we have included other steps like image resize. In case of the dimension of the image is very high, the downscaling is used to reduce the size of the image. In case of the size of the image is very low, in the sense upscaling is used to improve the resolution of the image. After doing the pre-processing, the feature extraction will be carried out. Feature extraction is nothing but the collection of data from the segmented image. So the segmented portion consists of only the region of interest. From that we have to extract the features. So here we are using the GLCM features, that is the gray level co-occurrence matrix is used to extract the features from the images. After doing the feature extraction, the classification will be carried out. In this classification, we are going to use the machine learning techniques to classify whether I am giving the images stone or normal. In case of stone, it will shows the result as stone image, or else in case of normal image, it will shows the result as normal. After doing the classification, the performance estimation will be carried out. In this performance estimation, we have considered the three things. One is accuracy, then second one is sensitivity, and third one is specificity. By these three parameters, we can justify our process is efficient. Now we are going to discuss about the initial running procedure of the process. At first, open the Matlab 2019B and then change the current directory. If you want to execute the process, just right click in the main GUI.m and select the option run. Once the option run was selected, the user interface will be open like this. This is the new user interface. In this you can see the several buttons in the right side for the controlling actions, and then the several axes and the tables in the left side for the display purpose. First of all, we have to click the button input image. After clicking the button input image, you can see the dataset. So kidney dataset having both the healthy as well as stone images. So we have to select the stone images first of all. After selecting the any one image from the dataset, the selected image will be shown in the user interface with the title of input image. After getting this step, we just move to the second stage of the project, that is the pre-processing. In this pre-processing, we have already discussed that will consist of three stages. One is the image resized. So the resized image having the different dimension with the, apart from the input image. After doing the image resize, the filtering is carried out. In this filtering, in case of noises is there in the input, it will be removed during the filtering. Then the grayscale conversion is carried out to convert the RGB band into one grayscale band. After doing the pre-processing everything, we just move to the segmentation step. In the segmentation step, we have to eliminate the backgrounds. We have to extract the foreground region separately. Here you can see the backgrounds region will be eliminated, only the foreground region will be extracted. After doing the extraction of the foreground region, we have to deduct the features from the image. After clicking the button feature extraction, the feature will be extracted. Those values are plotted here. After doing the feature extraction, the collection of data will be completed. Then we just move to the classification step. In this classification step, we have to find whether the tumor or stone is present in the kidney region or not. In case of it is an abnormal image, it will show the result as tumor or stone. After doing the classification, we just do the performance estimation. By clicking the performance estimation button, the results of the performance will be displayed here. So the accuracy is around 97%, sensitivity is around 94%, specificity is 100%. After doing the performance estimation, we just have to do the post processing. In this post processing, the results will be displayed like this. So the area of the image, area of the kidney pixels, so everything will be displayed here. Area of the stone as well as everything will be displayed here. The overall percentage of tumor or stone is 14 point something. So the severity of the stone is mild.